This video covers the restoration of cracked control joints. The machine that's being used is a 220 volt, 11 blade, 2-inch channel cutter. It has a shroud on it that aids dust collection, but also sets the depth of the cut. The machine is designed to cut away up to 2 inches wide of concrete. This is useful for cracked control joints because usually a control joint that has enough movement and enough surface traffic, when left unfilled or over time, can become damaged to the point where it actually becomes a wider and degraded joint. This condition will only get worse with wear, it's hard on equipment, and sooner or later will have to be dealt with. Though this much concrete removal does take time, it replaces the more conventional method of using a diamond blade and doing multiple cuts and then using a chipping hammer to break away the pieces of concrete. Once the channel cutter has removed all the broken material, the area is prepared for filling. Measuring the void that's been created by the channel cutter will allow a somewhat accurate measure of how much material will be consumed to fill it. The material that's being used is a fast-set urethane. Being added to this is also dry quartz and color. The material is not mixed to be too much of a mortar because the idea is that the low viscosity will help it to soak into the concrete and attain maximum adhesion. Though some sand is added, it's still quite loose when it's poured into the channel. After it's placed, dry quartz is added until it takes on a mortar-like consistency. After about an hour, the overfill can be removed by hand grinder. Once the material has been ground flush by removing all the overfill, a new control joint line is scribed. This new joint will replace the one that was there before, but obviously with the repaired sidewalls. At this point, the joint can be left open or filled with the appropriate joint filler. And that's about it. Damage control joint rebuilt.